Crying Shame by Jack Johnson is played in standard tuning with the capo on the 2nd fret. So we're going to start off with an E minor chord relative to capo, strummed once, moving up to an F sharp minor chord relative to capo, strummed once too. Play that on repeat. A second guitar part then comes in with an F sharp minor chord after the 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the D, and a 1st finger bar on the G, B and high E strings at the 2nd fret. I'm going to play this on the offbeat, so on the and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in the 2nd bar the same, we've got 1 and 2 and. On the 3 and we're going to strum down, up, and then another down on the 4 and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and F4 and. So the whole part there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the main guitar part sits on the F sharp minor chord as normal voicing for an F sharp minor. I'm going to play down, up, down, up, down, up, little rest, and then up, down, and then take the 2 fingers off, the 3rd and the 4th, and go to this F sharp minor at 11 chord. I'm going to strum down. So slowly, F sharp minor, down, 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 rest, up, down, down, fingers off there, last 3 hits. And then we come to the next part, which uses a B minor chord, an A chord, and a G over A. It's just the open A, D, G and B strings actually. For the B minor chord, we're going to strum down, mute. Then we'll then go to the A chord and strum up on a rest, and then up, down. So up, rest, up, down. Then we go to the open notes, as I said before, A, D, G, and B. I'm going to strum up, down, up. So the whole thing there slowly. B minor, down, up, mute. A, rest, up, down, up. We then go back into the F sharp minor part with the 2nd guitar part playing the same thing. The 1st guitar part playing the same thing as it was before as well. For the pre-chorus we introduced 2 new chords, an E minor 7 relative to capo and an F sharp minor 7 relative to capo too. We're generally going to strum a single strum on these chords and then put a little riff around them as well. So we start off with the E minor chord, a little riff, 7 hammer onto 10, back to 7 on the high E, and pick B, A, thread. F sharp minor, single strum. So we have the E minor, go into an F sharp minor. I'm going to slide up 10 to 14 on the B. Back to the E minor, slide up 7 to 10 on the high E. Then we go back to the F sharp minor. This time we're going to slide 12 to 14 on the B. Back to the E minor, pull off 10 to 7, F sharp minor, pick high E and B. Okay, so E minor, first riff, F sharp minor, 10 to 14, E minor, 7 to 10 slide, F sharp minor, 12 to 14, E minor, pull off, F sharp minor, so the final riff in the pre-chorus is based on that E minor chord again, but it's slightly trickier to play. So we play the E minor, you have a down, up. I'm going to slide 7 to 10 on the B, catch 10 on the high E, then 10 again on the B, sliding back down to 7 on the B. Then catch 7 on the high E, and 7 on the B, sliding down to 5, catch 5 on the high E, and then again on the B, sliding up to the 7 on the B. So the last part there played slowly is the E minor, 7 to 10 slide, back to 7, back to 5, back up to 7. The chorus of the song uses a B minor chord going to an A and a G chord going to an F sharp minor chord, using the same rhythm we played for the B minor part before. So we start with the B minor and we have the down, up, mute. Then to the A with the rest, up, down, up. This time we just stay on the A there. So B minor. Into the G, going to the F in exactly the same rhythm. So down, up, mute, up, down, up. And that's the whole chorus. Finish the chorus, single strum of the E minor for 2 bars. On the second bar, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. We play up, down, up to take us back into the main part. Okay, so E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second time through the pre-chorus, we use the same chords like E minor 7 and F sharp minor 7. We're just going to strum the chords in a slightly different way, and there's some few different riffs as well. So instead of the strict single strums, we're going to play this down, that little, the kind of rhythm we've played before, down, up. I'm going to slide up from 7 on the high E and B at the same time to 10, back down to 7. So like that, and then F sharp minor. Same rhythm, this time we're going to slide up from 12 to 14 on the B and high E strings, back down to 12 and 14. So E minor, F sharp minor, back to the E minor. This time we've got 10 on the B and 9 on the G, sliding up 2 frets. So. Then we go back to the F sharp minor, this time we've got a slightly different riff. We played the da-da. Then we're going to slide 14 down to 12 on the B, catch 12 on the high E, again on the B at the 12th fret, sliding down to 10, all relative to capo. Back to the E minor, 10 sliding up to 12 on the B, catch 12 on the high E, back to the F sharp minor again, 12 sliding up to 14 on the high E and B, back down to 12. Again, the last chord in the pre-chorus has a slightly different riff to the others here too. So we're on the E minor chord with the same rhythm to start with, down, then slide down from 10 to 7 on the B, catch 7 on the high E, sliding down to 5 on the high E. We're then going to slide up 5 to 7 on the B, 7 on the high E, catch 7 on the B again, sliding up to 10 on the B, catching 10 on the high E, and 10 on the B. Okay, so the whole riff, play nice and slowly there. That's pretty much all of the sections in this song. The only other thing to mention is the song actually finishes on a single strum of a B minor chord. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. For more Jack Johnson tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.